What's up, guys? My name is Eric and welcome to my channel again. Today I am starting this vlog off in my car. Not going to school today. Today's Friday and I'm not going to school, guys. Decided to take this day off. Don't have anything going on. I mean, I do. I have a quiz in my math class, but I could do that Monday, so it's all good. It's all good. Anyways, yeah, it's really hot outside. That's why I'm wearing one of these shirts. But yeah, that trash can is like tipped over. Anyways, damn, none of you guys know, but I have a crack on my bumper right here from the paint. I was backing up. Look, it's like right here too. Don't mind this is separate, but I was backing up and I hit a car. And I only touched it, but that little touch made the bumper kind of crack and the paint crack or chipped. Ouch. Okay, I'm on my way out. Don't know where I'm going. Whoa. Don't know where I'm going, but I'm just gonna go drive around. I'm supposed to be in school right now, but I'm not. Actually, I'm supposed to be in third period right now, I guess. I don't know. Guys, we still haven't gotten our parking lot back. And we're not. So that sucks. It really sucks, guys. Alright guys, I'm rushing home now because my girl didn't go to school either and she needs her license, so I have to rush home. I was by myself. I was around the area, but I wasn't that close. But now I have to rush home, give her her license, and yeah. God, these girls, you're coming off. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god. These girls are crazy. I'm leaving, guys. I'm leaving. I don't know what they were doing, but yeah, they were like all up in my car. I was like, get off. But, just kidding, but yeah. They skipped school too, I guess, and they want to go somewhere. I don't know where. Oh, they're in back of me. Okay guys, I'm leaving. Guys, they're still following me. They're all the way in the back. They got stuck at a light, but I'm leading them all the way straight to the mountains. And let's see if they follow me. Look, they're coming up in the back. You guys can't really see it, but
oh wow, Eric. Wow. Oh, fucking 60 seconds the other way.
Going up to the mountains, yeah. We came to the water, guys. Okay, I don't know how I ended up over here, but I'm over here by the lake. And I don't know what I'm saying. They're all the way down there. I excluded myself from them and I decided to come and take a walk and follow the current. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. But guys, look at the water is so clear. Like, look at this. The water is so clear. I'd never seen this water, like so much water right here. Like, I was like, wow. And there's nobody here, so we get to enjoy it all to ourselves. Look at this, whoa, look at this water, guys. So many big rocks that I'm tumbling over, but look at this water, it's so clear. Oh, I wonder if it tastes good. It probably doesn't taste good, or it probably does, I don't know. But it's not purified. Okay, so I got this big old long stick But I'm trying to find like other sticks. Look, they're all the way over there. All the way over there. And I'm trying to find sticks, but I can't find them. I have succeeded. I found this stick, but it has another one attached. But I'm gonna break it off. Still walking. We found like this opening area, and they really want to go find the waterfall. I don't know what I got myself into, guys, but there's my girl over there, and there, the rest of them are over there, and I hate this. Oh my god. We found water, guys. Look at, there's water right there, so that means we must be getting close. Okay, really starting to get tired now. These shoes starting to hurt me. I feel bad for my girl because she's wearing work boots, and those are not comfortable at all. So I feel bad for her. So if my shoes are hurting, hers must be hurting. Oh, funny. But yeah, we found people that were coming back from the water, and they said that just keep on going left to the trees and that you'll see them. So yeah, sounds like a plan. Okay, our parking was all the way over there. We found this, I don't know, like it's like this little area with shade, and now we're getting close, guys. Like, I think 5 more minutes of walking and we're there. Well, at least that's what the guy told us. So yeah. Oh my god, guys, we still gotta keep on going up. I'm not used to this, guys, but it's better than school. Let's go. Yes, we found it, guys. It's up there, and there's one right here too. Guys, I fell. I just ate shit right now. We are leaving the waterfall now, going back down. Oh my god. She's stuck, guys. She's stuck. Oh my god. Going back now. Going back to the car. Guys, we're almost to the car. Almost to the car. Almost to the car, guys. We're back down here in the water, and time to go back to the what is it called? Back to the town. So yeah. Oh, my feet are killing me, guys. Feet are killing me. Oh. And I'm hungry, guys. I haven't ate nothing, and it's like 1 o'clock. Alright guys, so I'm back in my car now. We are ending this video, ending this trip, so peace out guys. New video every day. See you guys tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment on this video what you guys think. Peace out, and I'll see you guys on the next video.